Is your engine idling roughly, misfiring, and showing a low oil pressure warning along with a check engine light? You might be facing a P2095 diagnostic trouble code, which means B camshaft position actuator control circuit high on bank 2. In modern vehicles, the engine computer constantly adjusts the timing of the engine valves to get the best performance and fuel economy. It does this using a variable valve timing system, which relies on oil pressure to move actuators on the camshafts. The B refers to the exhaust, right, or rear camshaft, and bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1. When the computer detects that the electrical voltage or resistance on the control circuit for this specific actuator is unusually high, it triggers this code, knowing it can no longer control the engine timing properly. The symptoms of losing control over your camshaft timing are usually severe. You will definitely see a check engine light, and possibly a change oil light. Your engine will likely idle very roughly, misfire while driving, and suffer from poor acceleration and increased fuel consumption. You might also see your oil pressure gauge drop. The root cause is frequently tied directly to your engine oil. Because these actuators require pressurized oil to work, low engine oil, incredibly dirty oil, or sludge blocking the tiny oil passages will quickly cause this system to fail. Other common causes include a defective variable timing solenoid, a worn-out timing chain or belt, a damaged wiring harness, or a blown fuse. To start fixing this yourself, the absolute first and easiest step is to pull your engine oil dipstick. Check that the oil is completely full and relatively clean. If it is low or looks like black sludge, getting a fresh oil change and filter is your first line of defense and might clear the code. Next, visually inspect the wiring harness going to the variable timing solenoid on bank 2. Look for any wires that have melted against the hot engine block or connectors that are green with corrosion. If the oil is perfect and the wiring looks good, diagnosing this gets complicated quickly. Because incorrect engine timing or a failing oil pump can completely destroy your engine's internal components, you should not ignore this code. If a simple oil change doesn't work, and you are not comfortable testing 5-volt reference circuits with a multimeter, it is time to take your car to a professional mechanic. They have the advanced tools to check the actual oil pressure with a manual gauge and can verify if your timing chain has jumped a tooth. Do not risk a blown engine, get it diagnosed properly.